Here we're showing why this picture either shows us no solution or all real numbers and why or why not. So on one side of my balance scale, I have an X, and on the other side of the balance scale, I also have an X. So if there was just X's, it would always be balanced. Then on the left side, I have 3 units, and on the right side, I have only 2 units. So no matter what X is, if X was 5, 5 and 5, this could never be balanced because this side will always have one more unit than the other. So this would be no solution because this picture can never be balanced. There is always one more on the left. If it had been 3 and 3, that would have been all real numbers because it would always be balanced.